Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Cozy Gloom. So this is a gaming console. You should try this product or not. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to tell you, basically this is not a website. This is generally a store, okay? And these kind of store maybe disappear from internet anytime, okay? So there is no guarantee about this thing. It will stay for a long time or not. And if we talk about this particular you can say product, when you visit on amazon.com you will see these kind of games, these kind of consoles is a very common, okay? And you can also purchase these kind of consoles on you can say amazon.com. But if we talking about like this kind of games like Cozy Gloom, when you purchase product and when you get your product, like if you're not satisfying after buying the product, how you will return? There is nothing to return, because this kind of store does not provide any kind of return and refund policy, and they will not accept any kind of refund. And after purchasing product there is no guarantee you will get your money back or not, because they does not provide any kind of contact information by which you can contact with the customer support team. So there are lots of issues, and I have provided you this information based on these kind of scams, because these kind of scams are very common in today's time. So that's why I'm telling you, please be secure, be safe, don't invest any money in this kind of products, save your hard-earned money and don't invest any money, okay? So this is the thing, rest depends on you. You can make your own decision. If you have any experience, you can share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment will helpful for lots of people also, okay? So thanks for watching this video and bye bye.